What's up, party people? Android stud here. Beast mode time. That's right. The Galaxy Z Fold5 from Samsung. This is an absolute treasure right now. I was excited about getting this. A lot of people are saying it's not that much of an upgrade from the Z Fold 4. We shall see. I'm gonna bust this up, do an unboxing for you guys. As you can see, it is sealed from Samsung. We're ready to go. We're gonna bust this up. The one thing that I'm excited about is the processor. Also the new hinge, or the zero gap flex hinge as you call it. Really excited about that. So we're gonna pull this up here, bust this up. I got the Phantom Black. There are some different colors that you could pick up from Samsung. You know, there's the icy blue, there's the gray, the blue, the other blue, which is very popular. A lot of people are going with that color. Then they have the cream, and yeah, they have 5 colors right now. So the two phones that came out were the Galaxy Flip 5 and also the Z Fold 5. So, but I'm really excited about the new look here. As you can see, it is right straight front and center. Ooh wee. And you can see there. And you basically get the phone. Let me put this here before I unwrap it for you guys. I know you guys are excited, but trust me, I'll get it to you. So what you got in here is you got a SIM ejector tool, which is gonna be fun because I'm gonna have to put a SIM card in this. I don't wanna do eSIM. I did it with the iPhone 14 Pro Max, but I do wanna get away from the eSIM situation. It's just, you can't switch phones. I mean, you can, but it's just a pain. But yeah, that comes there. And then you got the big reveal here. So we're gonna go ahead and take it apart here. And then this comes off over here. Real slow, so you guys can hear it's not as dramatic as when they used to have the little screen protector on the front of the device, but this is such a massive device. 7.6 inch display. Look at this thing. Yeah, right there. What's up, party people? But yeah, look at this beast. Oh, it feels thinner, man. It does feel thinner. Let's take that off of there. We don't need that, but yeah, man, that's nice. And I got the executive black, you know, because you know where it's at. But yeah, you got, this thing has gotta be, yeah, it feels much thinner in the hand. There you have the zero gap flex hinge. It folds flat, so you put it like that. You have a complete flat device, which is great. I like that. Yeah, it's got a brighter screen. It has the Snapdragon, Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor. So I think that is gonna be a big difference with this device, is having that new processor. It's gonna have a better battery. Your pictures are gonna be better. But yeah, this is really nice, man. I love how thin it is. Yeah, this is nice. The other thing about the processor, it's slightly overclocked, which is nice. Also, your pictures, they're better processed because of the chip inside the Snapdragon Gen 2. So, yeah, man, this is really nice. I wanted to show you the flex there. Look at that. Zero gap. Zero gap. That is really, man, man, it's a tall boy. It's a tall boy. So you got the 6.2 front display, which is narrow. It's a narrow boy. It's not 5.8 like the Pixel Fold, but then you get the 7.6 here. This is the star of the show. This is why you get this device. You don't get the device for the front screen. I do agree that the front screen should be wider. I think that's a miss by Samsung for not having this set up just to be a little wider. I mean, they could probably go here and it would probably changed the game. I think the Fold 6 is definitely gonna have a wider screen next year. So, but let's talk about it. Like I said, it's got the Snapdragon Gen 2 processor. It pretty much has the same 5 cameras, had the under display camera, then you have the cover display camera, 10 megapixel. I believe the one inside is a 4 megapixel under display. You do get 4K 30 and 60 on this video camera here on the front. So that is actually a really good feature. Most cameras should have that, but not all phones have the 4K 30 or 60 on their selfie camera. So, and then on the back, as you can see, you get the same 50 megapixel 1.8 wide, you get the 10 megapixel telephoto, you get the 12 megapixel ultra wide, but these cameras are going to be a lot better because of the Gen 2 processor. I keep saying that in this video, but I'm telling you right now, the Gen 2 processor is the star. Not only the front, not only this big display here that is just gangsta, but these cameras are going to take better pictures. It's not going to be a Pixel. It's not going to be an iPhone 14 Pro Max pictures. It's not going to be Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra pictures, but it's going to take some good pictures. You're going to be able to get by, and I'm just going to enjoy using this. Going to have to put a front screen protector on the front there. I won't put anything on the inside. I do have insurance for this. I would recommend insurance, but it closes a lot tighter. It feels a lot thinner. It's a really packable device now, where the one was a little more hefty. But you get 8K video, 24 frames per second, 4K 60, obviously 1080p 60 and the works. A couple more things on this. You get this dynamic AMOLED display, 120 hertz right here, so you'll be moving and grooving with that, no problems there. Shout out to the German Shepherd in the back trying to do a video, and he's disrupting me. Disrespectful. But yeah, you get the 7.6 inch display, then the cover display, you get the dynamic AMOLED also on the cover display. You get 120 hertz, you get the Gorilla Glass Victus 2 on this, 6.2 inches. So Android 13, One UI 5, One UI 6 is coming, Android 14 is coming. So you get a lot of cool features on here. This is an expensive device though. This is an $1,800 device, no matter how you snap it up. Now, Samsung's got some great trade-in deals. Like if you have a Fold 4, they'll give you $1,000. I don't know how great of a deal that is, because you did pay almost $2,000 for that phone last year. The S22 Ultra, they're giving you $1,000. Drop down on the links down below. You can get that trade-in deal if you hit my link. And also, you get $50 towards some accessories. So that's kind of cool. But I'll leave that down below, along with the hit that notification bell, also the subscribe button to my channel, so you know when videos like this are coming. But that's pretty much it for the Fold 5 for the unboxing. I'm gonna attempt to set this up with my SIM card from my iPhone 14 Pro Max. This is gonna be fun because that is eSIM. This is not. This, you can do eSIM, but I'm gonna try to go away from that. So I'm gonna tell the boys from T-Mobile, yo, I need a SIM card. Let's get this going. So that's what I'm gonna go do. And I'll come back and do another video setting it up, doing some tips and tricks, screen protectors, cases. I'll be bringing the full coverage for you guys. So keep it locked right here on Android Stud. Also, you get the fingerprint reader here on the power button. So that'll be easy to set up, volume up and down there. You got your SIM tool there. You got your USB Type-C speakers, speakers on this side. This is just a beautiful device, man. I love this thing. This thing is dope. No headphone jack, but you do get stereo speakers. So that is very cool. Samsung DeX, if you have a little monitor, you can hook it up and go through that. 25 watt wired, fast charging, 15 watt wireless, reverse wireless charging. So a lot of great things on here. The battery, 4,400 milliamp, but with the Gen 2, look out. it's gonna be a lot better. Which the Fold 3, I remember the battery was not very good. I didn't like that the battery was bad about that. Also, the display is a brighter screen. The Fold 4, you're looking at 2000 nits, which is excellento. But yeah, that's gonna do it, man. I'm gonna get out of here. I'm gonna drop my SIM card in here and get it going. Appreciate you guys watching. Peace.